In the quiet hours of the morning, Saif sat on his balcony in Lahore sipping tea. A successful entrepreneur in his late 30s, he seemed to have it all. Yet a persistent emptiness gnawed at his heart. The sound of children playing echoed from below, but it only reminded him of his estranged younger brother, Bilal. During Jumu'ah, the Imam recited Surah Ar-Ra'd, verse 21. Saif froze at, and those who maintain the ties that Allah has ordered to be joined. The words pierced his soul. He remembered how their mother used to say, "Never let ego destroy your family." The verse replayed in his mind. Flashback: a family business dispute had torn them apart. Saif blamed Bilal for a failed venture and accused him of sabotage. In truth, Bilal had warned him against a bad investment. But pride blinded Saif. He kicked Bilal out of the business and, worse, out of his life. That evening, Saif read about the Prophet visiting relatives who had wronged him. Even when the Quraysh severed ties, he forgave. Whoever severs the ties of kinship will not enter paradise. Sahih Muslim. Saif clenched the book, tears stinging his eyes. Going through old boxes, Saif found their late mother's diary. "My sons fought today. I pray Allah softens their hearts. Family is amana." His chest tightened. He whispered, "Ammi, I failed you." He picked up the phone, stared at Bilal's name but didn't call. The weight of the years, the unspoken accusations, and his own shame overwhelmed him. He needed to find the strength to reach out not from his ego, but for Allah. Saif met with Mufti Haris at the masjid. "Will he even forgive me?" Saif asked. Mufti smiled. "Don't seek his forgiveness for you. Seek Allah's pleasure. Heal the tie for his sake." He quoted, "Whoever wishes to have his provision expanded and his term of life prolonged should maintain the ties of kinship." Saif prepared a heartfelt letter. No excuses. No blame. Just, "I wronged you, Bilal. I miss you. For the sake of Allah and our mother, please allow me to make things right." He left it at Bilal's office without a signature. He wanted the message, not the sender, to be the focus. Weeks passed. No reply. Saif waited. Prayed. Cried. Each night, he begged Allah to mend the bond. "Ya Allah, you are the turner of hearts, reunite us for your sake." Bilal's daughter, Alina, sent a video to Saif, her school project about family. "My daddy said families argue, but real love always wins. My chachu used to take me for ice cream." Saif broke down. Children remembered love, not ego. One afternoon, Saif heard the doorbell. There stood Bilal, with their late mother's Quran in hand. No words, just an embrace. A silent exchange of, "I missed you," Bilal whispered, "for her and for him." They walked through old haunts, parks, tea stalls, masjid courtyards. The city hadn't changed, but they had. They laughed over old memories, grieved over lost time. But Allah had given them a new chapter. Saif wanted to share their reunion online, but Bilal declined. "Let's keep this between us and Allah. Eat less." It reminded Saif, not every good deed needs applause. True connection isn't performative. Together, they planned a surprise Eid dinner for the extended family. Cousins, aunts, nieces, everyone came. Saif watched his family reunite like a quilt being stitched back together. Their mother's photo stood near the entrance, smiling.